Right, I've had my coffee now, let's take this back. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no worries.
That was pretty average, thank you. See ya.
Alright, Mr.
No, it's lovely, thank you. Right, let's leave the forge and make our way to Ramsbury, looking for some Ramsbury Gold. Right, leaving the old forge. And then we're making our way to a byway called Love Lane. Making our way to Ramsbury, searching for Ramsbury Gold. Okay, here we go onto the byway. Right, I can't take the byway that was called Love's Lane or Love Lane. I couldn't actually get to it, so I'll stick to this one. This will bypass Ramsbury a little bit. This one will take us past Roman building, site of, which will be on our left soon. Okay, Roman building, site of is over there. Seems to have a flock of pheasants down here. Alright, boys and girls, shift your asses, I'm coming through, yeah? Come on, Pulse, fly away, be free! Bit of learning. Little bit of road work, and then we're looking for a byway on our left in a minute. Okay, the byway should be just down here, heading for Green Pond. Green Pond. There we go, byway. Bit of tarmackage, can't complain. So Green Pond is just over there. Nice and easy on the leaves. We're heading and we're looking for Ramsbury Gold. Can we see any? We're going prospecting for Ramsbury Gold. Okay, another byway. We're going to be going left. Let's hope it's more gnarly and off-road, which I think it is. Excellent. Oops. Right, let's go. Still prospecting for Ramsbury Gold. Well, we got some ruttage. Bloody hate ruts. Still looking for some Ramsbury Gold. I need to find a stream and start panning for it. Panning for gold. But wait, what have we here? Could this be the prospecting place for some Ramsbury Gold? Oh, I say. Look at that. Stock Close Farm, Ramsbury Brewery. Let's go and find some Ramsbury Gold. Hey, Ramsbury Gold. Let's get prospected. That's what we want, Ramsbury shop. No, I'll take these. I'll come back for those. In fact, I'll take one. I'll take one. I'll come back for the other. Thank you. Thank you very much. Ramsbury Gold. Right then, so we've been prospecting for some Ramsbury Gold, a selection box and some extra gold from the Ramsbury Brewery down there. Excellent. Right, we're going to make our way back to Marlborough now using some byways, offload the beer into the room, and then probably go for a little toodle on the west side of Marlborough, have a play around there. Right, got a byway coming up just round this corner on our left. Here we go. Byway to White's Hard Bottom. White's Hard Bottom, let's go. Got to take it easy because I can hear the bottles in the back clinking around, so nice and steady, Andy boy. Little bit of rain coming down. Hopefully it won't come to much. Gonna make my way to a metalled road, then get into Marlborough. Get rid of this beer because it ain't off clunking on the byways, on the rough stuff. Right, it's road all the way to Marlborough now, a couple of miles. I've already had to ditch one of the bottles of, well, empty one of the bottles of Ramsbury Gold in my rookie. All the rattling, it knocked one of the caps. So my rookie's drenched and stinks of Ramsbury Gold, which is no bad thing. Back in Marlborough now. Right, the beer's dropped off. Let's go and have a little toodle and get some fuel from the Jet Garage just the other side of Marlborough. Just having a bit of a cruise around now. We're in Lockridge. I just been to see what's happening with an old chicken farm I used to go and visit when I was with Avara Foods and Fazenda Foods. Still empty, still going to rack and ruin, which is a shame. Right, let's toodle on over around Avebury. Okay, this is Avebury again. Very cool place. Right, let's go and get half a pint in the Red Lion at Avebury. take my telephone, eh? Over half of that place.
Yeah.
Avebury well water. A packet of plain crisps as well, please.
Yeah. Honestly. No.
Right, I've had a nice pint. There's the Stones. The Rolling Stones. Right, let's get loaded up. Head on back to Marlborough and get cleaned up. There she blows. The little mucky pup. Right then, let's leave the Red Lion Avebury. Make our way back to Marlborough. Let's go. Yeah, it's an amazing place, Avebury. If you've never been, it's well worth coming. Right, we're going to be turning off right here for the Hackpen White Feckin' Hearse, and then we start making our way back to Marlborough. There it is, Hackpen White Feckin' Hearse. Horse! That's a good mountain bike ride, the White Horse Trail. Bloody excellent. Highly recommended. White Horse. Right, I was going to pick up a byway here on the right. Follow that down into Rockley. This goes down to Rockley, but we're going to take a little byway, which is in fact a metalled road anyway. Back off-roading, awesome! Right, let's just hope this isn't a pain in the backside. That wasn't too bad actually. Oh dear me. Straight on, follow the hedge or the fence line, and then we're heading for those woods up and then into Rockley. Pardon me, horse. Yeah, as ruts go, they weren't too bad. What do you reckon, boy? Ruttage? Right, let's crack on. Say, this is a permissive byway. Through the gate and then turn right. Ooh, boff. Right, this is Rockley now. We'll turn left and then get to the main road. Bog. Right, that's it for off-roading. Into Marlborough, get some petrol, and then go back to the Tommy Cannon and Bobby Ball Hotel, get cleaned up and have a cup of tea. And this is where we started the ride, just up over there. Back in Marlborough. I've been very lucky with the weather. I've kind of been behind it all the way. Right, here we go, back at the Tommy Cannon and Bobby Ball. Right, let's get in here. Right then peeps, that's it, I'm back in the room now. Bloody hell, that was a tough old day that. 56 miles, lots of rutty stuff. I don't like ruts, it's bloody hard work. But it was good fun. I'm glad I went over the Lambourne side. I think that's it now for biking round the Marlborough area, left, east and west on the old little motorcycle. I do want to come back down here on the mountain bike, but anyway, oh, Trump. Yeah, really good day. I'm tired after trying to walk and scramble and get the bloody thing through them ruts. It's very tiring. Anyway, it's all done. It's all good. It was an adventure. I need to sort the clean the carb out and have a good sort out of that because it's not running right. It doesn't tick over. Try as I might to try and sort it out, it's not working. So I want to get back. One of the jobs will be whip the carb off, give it a good clean, and then start again. And I just need to adjust the clutch after I fitted the new plates, friction plates. Other than that, oh yeah, and the side pouches, I'm going to remount them onto the actual side of the butty box, off the lid. And note to self, whenever I put anything in there like gloves or any type of clothing stuff, put it in a plastic bag because my sponsor's waterproof cases ain't waterproof. Right then, that's me. I want to get sorted out, cup of tea, shower, relax, then it's back down to Pino's tonight for another pizza. Right then, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, drop a comment until the next random content, which is going to be, I haven't got a clue. It's going to be an e-bike, but I'm not quite sure where I'm going to go. In a bit, peeps.